Hey guys, welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the product list widget brought to you by Ultimate Store Kit. For all your sellable products in your online store, a custom-made product list will definitely help users go through your inventory easily and quickly. The product list widget is the right kind of tool that provides a simple, creative, and minimalistic interface to display your products. With the brilliant customizations provided by our plugin, you can create lucrative lists with custom backgrounds, product badges, highlighted pricing, and many more. Just as I'm speaking, you are seeing some of the creative layouts designed with the product list widget. Let's view how the backend customization works. First, drag the product list widget and drop it inside the page editor using Elementor. The default list will look like this. Let's shrink it down by adding some padding around the list from the Advanced tab. Adding values to the fields, this much is enough for a nice view on the content. Going back to the Content tab, from the first section named Layout, you can change the item gap among the list items. Just try moving the scroll bar and see for yourself. You can also select a custom product image size according to your needs. Next, the query section lets you limit the number of items displayed on the list. Let's set it to 5 and your users will see a maximum number of 5 products here. Using the include field, you can specify any category or tags to show only the related products on the list. Let's start by selecting the terms here and then type a category name. Once you select it, the list will start displaying the specific category items. Below are the controls to change the display order of the products. Also, you get 3 switches here to hide free and out-of-stock products or show only products with images. Next, the additional tab contains switches to show or hide specific elements from the list like title, image, price, etc. For instance, let's turn off the rating switcher and you will see it vanish from the products. The same goes for the badges. You can turn off any or all of them to simply hide the badge from the interface. Now let's move on to the Style tab. From the first section here, you can customize the background of the list. Let's add a monotone black color and turn the opacity bar down. Simple ash looks great. Then we can add some padding around the content to make them bigger. There's a default border added to the list which we can turn off like this. Select a border and set the width to 0. From the image section, let's add a box shadow to our product images. Turn down the transparency to make it look clean. Then add border radius to curve the edges a bit. There are customizations available for title, price, and rating. Let's have a look at the badges. You will find lots of options to customize them. Let's adjust their spacing to position them nicely over the products. Use these two scroll bars here for that. When done, we can curve the edges a little from the radius field. That's how you can make an awesome product list in 4 minutes using the Ultimate Store Kit for WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See you until next time.